Hey, welcome to the channel A&D on the Road. On this channel, we bring you the best videos of road trips that we have taken and the gadgets and gears we use in our production. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and supporting us in our efforts to continue bringing you the best videos. Thank you and have a great day. Okay, so we are unboxing the GearFend mini card reader. It came in a nice brown envelope. There was no problem in the shipping. It came in on time, and it had only these two items inside the envelope. So let's see what we have here. This is a letter from the seller at Amazon, making sure we don't post a negative review without contacting them first. So make sure you do that, please. So this came in a small little box. There's no writing, no pictures, no marketing done on the box. It's a small little box, not very strong, but it came in undamaged. So that's fine, so it's okay for us. Inside the box, let's see what we have here. We have a mini USB cable. It's not very long. This will transfer the data from the card into your laptop or computer. Then you have one computer screen cleaner. I have never used one, so I'm just going to put it away. And now we have the card reader itself. It does not look very big, but I hope it does the job. Looking at the top of it, it can actually read about 4 or 5 different types of cards. On the right side, there is a mini USB cable port. On the left, there is nothing. On the back side, we have only one card reading slot, and that would read compact flash CF card. On the front of it, it has 5 different card readers: MSD card, M2 card, MS Duo card, XD card, and finally the SD SDHC card reader. So it can read quite a few cards. And now let's take a look and see how this would work. I have 3 different types of cards available right now, and I'm going to try to see if they go in easily. So this is the micro SD card. It went in pretty smoothly, no problems, and it seems like it should work properly. Now let's try the second card. This is the XD card. I have it for my Sony camera. This went in pretty easily, so it should read properly. And finally, this is the regular SD card. Yeah, let me try that again. So yeah, it seems to be fine. So these slots are good so far. Let's see how this connects to my computer. So I have just set up the mini USB cable in the card reader, and we're just going to connect this to my laptop. Okay, so we are looking at USB 3 port and USB 2 port that comes with my laptop and your laptop and computer. And USB 3 port is actually 10 times faster in data transfer. So let's try the USB 3 port first. So we connected this and the light came on the card reader. So that means it is working perfectly fine. And I also heard the acknowledgement on my computer that it picked up on this card reader. Same thing with USB 2 port. I heard that it was picked up by my computer, so it seems to be working fine. So here it is, GearFend all-in-one card reader. Hey, I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing to our channel so we can continue to make videos like this and much better videos in the coming weeks and months. Thank you for your time and have a great day.